I thought we'll make a quick go-to salad. I actually thought we should talk about seasons. We're in that kind of in between, and you know, you'll go to the farmer's market and you'll look in your garden and you think, yes, the sun's shining, but there's still not a lot happening. Dunedin down here, especially in the southern regions, it's still a bit cold. So ingredients, so we've got the parsley, we've got fennel and dill, things like that, a lot of mint going on, tarragon's kicking in. You know, I could whip up a tomato salad, but they're just not really where they should be. So for us down here, we've got to wait a little bit longer. Beetroot, carrots, I've got some little onions, spring onions and a red onion, and we're just going to make a really quick go-to salad. So, simple bowl grater. You can add pulses to it, like I could add chickpeas, you could add quinoa. We've got cracked wheat's pretty cool at the moment too. We're just going to go straight veggies on this one. So just grate a carrot straight into the bowl. So they're juicy and naturally sweet, so we don't need to add any honeys or anything like that. We'll just go one carrot. Beetroot, I'm just taking the ends off them, just grate them straight in the bowl. So in here, this is our base for our salad. So we've got carrots and beetroot, so you look at that already. We're going to add lots of herbs. Mint goes really nice in that as well. I reckon a couple of spring onions, because it is something that is hanging out at the moment, and they're rather delicious. And see, like these, you can I just trim it off there. You could put that on the barbecue or the grill, and that's beautiful, like just dress them up like we've done asparagus and what have you before. And that's a really, really nice little ingredient, like little baby leeks. So I'm just going to cut these up. You can cut them like that, or we could go like that. I'm just showing you different ways, however you want them to look cool in your salad. And then the green part here as well, like that. So we've got a really nice little mixture. And see, so then that is going to go into a beautiful salad. We're going to add a little bit of red onion. We're just going to trim off the ends of the red onion, and then we're just going to slice it really thin. And don't go too crazy on the onion, because some people are just not really into it. I love it, but some people aren't. So we're going to add a big handful of herbs. We've got flat leaf parsley, again beautiful, and these stalks, this is all organic, so we can make the most of all of those stalks. And I've got the fennel tops just off the bulbs, some chopped, and then we're going to pick off some leaves so we get a few contrasts of how it's going to look. So when I use the parsley stalks in that, I treat them like celery. So they've got that same delicious flavour, and it's also really good texture in there. It's amazing. Just fresh food, so that's beautiful. So don't ever be afraid to season your salads, because it's still like seasoning a bowl of vegetables. And then I thought for the dressing, New Zealand oranges are amazing at the moment, and it will just really bring this out, and you've got no work to do. So just squeeze your orange juice over this. And then just a little bit of lemon juice as well, because the orange juice is quite sweet, and that's just going to kind of go fill in all the gaps. So you could just leave this in the fridge and it will get better and better, and it will become really quite juicy. See, with that was only like what, 1 to 2 carrots and 1 to 2 beetroot. Goes a long way, doesn't it? Or just a big plate of delicious salad. Raw beetroot carrot salad, done.